Epson PowerLite L210SF. Proof: 125-inch image from 3 feet away is wild. Last week, I walked into a client meeting, stepped in front of the old projector, and became a human eclipse. Everyone started squinting and leaning like they were watching tennis. I wanted the floor to swallow me. Ever had your own body ruin your presentation? Drop your worst projector crime story below. I need to know I'm not alone. That heavy feeling when you're dancing around your own shadow, apologizing for glare, praying the bulb doesn't die mid-sentence? Your neck hurts from looking back, your confidence shrinks. But there's a calmer way, where you just stand there like you belong, and the image stays perfect. Keep watching, because that way actually exists now. Then I found the Epson PowerLite L210SF, short throw laser that throws 125 inches from literally 3 feet away. 4,000 honest lumens, native 21:9, 3 LCD colors that don't fade in daylight, instant on-off, 20,000 hour laser life, built-in 16-watt speaker, and wireless Miracast that just works. True story, big quarterly review. CEO in the room, 9:02 a.m. and the old projector bulb decided to retire. Switched to the L210SF on the credenza, powered on instantly, mirrored my laptop wirelessly, and we were rolling by 9:04 with a perfect 120-inch image. I stood right in front of it, pointing at numbers, no shadow, no glare, no panic. The relief hit me so hard, I almost started laughing mid-presentation. Suddenly, I owned the room instead of fighting it.
Here's how it actually flows. You save 10 minutes per meeting on setup, you stop stressing about shadows, you present like you're supposed to, people actually listen instead of squinting, decisions get made faster. AV experts are calling it the first projector that finally understands hybrid work. One university IT manager told me they replaced every old unit because daylight classrooms are no longer a problem. Corporate trainers say the 21:9 front row layout makes remote people feel twice as present. My favorite user line? I walk in, press one button, and look like I have a 20K video wall. Personally, I now walk into any room knowing I'll look sharper than everyone else there. Biggest objection I hear is, but projectors are always a hassle. Bro, this one turns on faster than my monitor and hasn't needed a single bulb change in 2 years. See why thousands of trainers, profs, and managers can't stop talking about this thing right now. Quick, comment Shadow Gang if you're done playing human puppet.
Imagine walking into any room and owning the presentation instead of fighting the tech. No more shadows, no more warm-up waits, no more dim images in daylight. Just crisp, massive, perfectly proportioned pictures that make you look good. Join the trainers, professors, and corporate pros already living this reality with the Epson PowerLite L210SF. If you're tired of bad projectors making you look amateur, I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out. Your next meeting is waiting to feel effortless.